young artists! Welcome to Color with Ava, where we bring your imagination to life with colors and drawings. I'm Ava, and today we're going to draw a cute, cuddly cat together. First, let's start with the cat's head. Draw big, sparkling eyes that look like they're full of curiosity. Add a tiny nose and some whiskers. Next, let's draw our cat's body. And don't forget the tail. Make it long and curvy, like it's waving hello to us. Our drawing looks so adorable. Now, let's bring our cat to life with colors. Remember, you can pause the video and color along with me. Let's paint our cat in your favorite shades, like warm browns, soft yellows, or even vibrant oranges. Wow, look at our cat! Isn't it amazing how a little color can make it feel so real? Remember, every drawing is unique, just like you. Feel free to add your own touches. Thank you for joining me today. Keep creating, stay colorful, and I'll see you on next video. Goodbye, friends!